Hi guys, this is Jen from Wondershare Mobile Trends. Do you feel bored staying at home these days? Today, I'm gonna show you something fresh. I've just got this brand new iPhone SE, and now why don't we unboxing this together? I got this black 64GB iPhone SE, and now let's open it. That's it, we've got this welcome card. Now we have our iPhone SE. I'm gonna take it out. Then we do have this 5-watt charger. Actually, iPhone SE supports quick charging, but it doesn't come with the fast charge break, so you might need to buy it separately. Then we have this headphone with lightning cable. We also have this USB-A lightning cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now I'm gonna peel off this plastic. It is super thin and lightweight with only 148 grams. I do have an iPhone 8 today, and for the first impression, iPhone SE looks exactly the same as iPhone 8, except for the bezel and the position of this Apple logo. The logo is more centered in iPhone SE, and I personally think it looks better. Actually, iPhone SE comes with 3 colors, but they are all the same in the front, and they have different colors in the glass back. iPhone SE is also IP67 rated for dust and water resistant. For those who are careless using this budget iPhone, it might be a good news, but keep in mind that water and liquid damage is not covered by Apple Assurance. It also comes with this 4.7-inch Retina LCD display, and inside we do have a A13 Bionic chip, which also runs in iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Many of you may notice we have this home button here, and to be honest, it's been many years since I last used this Touch ID. Touch ID can be more convenient and faster in many situations. During this pandemic, for example, I can easily unlock my iPhone SE without taking off my face mask. Now let's go ahead and get straight into the camera. We do have this 12 megapixel 4K 60 eyesight camera. It is the same camera and sensor as iPhone 8, but the processor can provide us with more features since it is powered by A13 Bionic chip. It can process better image and videos. Now we go inside to the camera. As you can see here, we have this new quick take video. Basically, just hold down this button when you are taking photos, and now you start recording video. Then we have a little arrow here. Just tap it, and now you have all the options down below. You have flash, you have live photo, peak ratio, timer, and effects. Now when we go to video mode, you have the video quality here, and you can also change your FPS. Just tap it to go through all the options and choose the one you want. When we go to portrait mode, we also have 6 lighting features, which is super nice. Okay guys, thanks for your watching. We will have the in-depth review in the next following days, so make sure you subscribe us and turn on the notification bell. Also, leave your question below and we will answer it in the next review video. Don't forget to give us a thumb up, and we will see you soon. Bye bye!